Hey, it's Advanced Nutrition and Health here. I'll show you how to make a quick and delicious keto breakfast smoothie. This keto berry smoothie is one of my favorite. It's low in carbs and high in antioxidants, and it will keep you full for a long time, as it contains protein, fat, and fiber. So what we will need is some organic spinach. I freeze mine to keep it fresh, and I will use 3 handfuls of spinach. Then I'll add some Haskap Berry powder, and I will use 1 teaspoon. Haskap Berry is this amazing super berry that has 3 to 4 times the amount of anthocyanins of blueberries. Anthocyanins give fruits and vegetables a blue-purple color. And anthocyanins help you to slow down aging and help you to prevent various diseases. So if you don't have enough of raw vegetables in your diet, definitely consider including this purple berry powder in your smoothies. Then 1 scoop of collagen powder for that extra protein to keep you full. And 1 scoop will give you around 10 grams, which will give you 9 grams of protein. I use multi-collagen powder from Revive Naturals. It's extremely high quality and it contains all 5 types of collagen, not just one. And I'll leave the links to order both of these supplements in the description of this video. Then half a lemon. Lemons help you to prevent kidney stones on keto. Then some frozen or fresh berries, to add those extra vitamins, minerals, and phytonutrients. They help to slow down aging and keep you healthy. This time I'm using frozen red and black currants, raspberries, and blackberries. They're all low carb. On the package it says 5.2 grams of carbs per 100 grams. But of course I will use a bit less. I will use half a cup. Then some creamed coconut, and I will use 1 teaspoon, and it's gonna give that extra fat to keep you full. You can use either organic extra virgin coconut oil or creamed coconut. It will help you to absorb fat-soluble vitamins. Smoothies actually taste better with creamed coconut. Then I'm gonna add 1 tablespoon of chia seeds. That's also for extra omega-3 fats and fiber. And then I'm gonna add 1 tablespoon of desiccated coconut. It's again for the extra fiber and good flavor. And then some organic liquid stevia sweetener, and I'm gonna use around 10 to 12 drops, because if you won't use any sweetener it might taste a bit too sour and not have very nice flavor, so definitely consider adding this sweetener. And if you don't have stevia, you can simply use either erythritol or monk fruit extract, because these ones as well are healthy. So then I'm gonna start by adding 3 handfuls of spinach. Then the coconut, 1 tablespoon of chia seeds, Haskap berries, I used 1 teaspoon, then collagen powder 1 scoop, then creamed coconut, frozen berries, I used a bit less than half a cup, then half a lemon, 10 to 12 drops of stevia, and then I used around 3/4 of a glass of water. And you blend it for around 1 minute. So thanks so much for watching, definitely try out the smoothie. And if you've enjoyed watching this video, don't forget to like and subscribe to my channel. Thanks so much for watching, and I hope to see you in the next video.